Good morning, all. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss the continuing topic of session 4, which I had started yesterday. It was packaging. Now, I will discuss role of packaging. Here it is written, packaging is an important element in formulation of marketing plan as it aids or it works as promotion and performs the role of passive salesman. Comma. Here we can say packaging is an important element for marketing plan because it works as a promotion. As product is properly packaged, it will help for promoting the product. Also, it performs the role of passive salesman. Here salesman means a person who sells the product, and passive means a person who is not active, means he or she is not speaking for the promotion of product, but they are silent. Passive salesman means packaging work as a silent salesman. Packaging just appeals the quality of product in customer's eye. It silently tells the customer that it is good quality product. Next, in adding to protecting the product, also packaging helps for protection of the product. In the absence of salesman, if there is no salesman available in market, the packaging should be able to grab means catch the eyeballs means focus of the buyer. Means if properly packaged, the product can attract the customer or consumer. Good packaging may be used to improve consumer acceptance. The product package has an important promotional function. If you have packaged properly the product, it will be an important promotional function, establishing meaningful communication. Packaging can be the element of communication from marketer to consumer. Designing the product package according to changing customer preferences and attitude will enable the marketer to push the product. Here push means just to take the product from marketer and sell the product to the customer. Means if the product is packaged well according to changing needs of customer, it will definitely push the product. Consumer package is also intended for better convenience. Just correct the spelling of convenience. Convenience means comfort or ease. Okay, means if product is properly packaged, it will work as convenience and ease for consumer. Means consumer can easily carry that product. And also very important statement, it will protect the product. Packaging always protects the product from pilferage. Pilferage means steal or चोरी से बचाएगा and damage, खराब नहीं होगा. In simple words we can say, अगर properly प्रोडक्ट को पैकेजिंग कर दिया है, प्रॉपर्ली प्रोडक्ट को कवरिंग कर दिया है, सो ख़राब नहीं होगा, स्टील नहीं होगा, प्रोटेक्टेड रहेगा एंड कंज्यूमर कैन ईजिली कैरी. कंज्यूमर को ईज हो जाएगा, सेटिस्फेक्शन एंड कन्वीनियंस मिल जाएगा. सो दिस इज रोल ऑफ पैकेजिंग. नेक्स्ट, इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ पैकेजिंग. इम्पॉर्टेंस मीन्स सिग्निफिकेंस, मीन्स उसका मीन यूज़ क्या है. सो यू कैन राइट रोल, इम्पॉर्टेंस, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स इन द सेम वे. These are same. So here 12 points are given. It provides information about product. It helps in identifying brand name. It assists or helps in protecting the product. It helps in product handling. It aids in promoting the product. You can write helps instead of aids. It helps in offering customer convenience and satisfaction. It helps in increase in the sales of product. It aids to use of product. It helps in storage of product. It contributes to safety of product. It helps in product differentiation. It saves the product from pilferage and damage. So these are similarly 12 points which are same as we had discussed in role. Means आपका properly packaged है product, then it will definitely attract customer. It will prove as a good quality product. It will also add to the use of product. It will be better stored. It will be better carried. It will provide safety. It will protect the product. It will save the product from pilferage and damage. Also, it will be better for handling. It will be better for promoting. It will offer good customer convenience and satisfaction. On the whole, it will increase sales of the product. So these are the topics for today. Role of packaging, and last, importance or significance of packaging. Okay, thank you for listening.